Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Stephenson County in northwestern Illinois until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:32 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Freeport, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Dakota and Rock City around 6:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Davis around 6:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.